Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me.
Hey y'all, it's Ari.
Spend 10K on my jeans. Give a fuck, little bitch, I'm swaying. Give a fuck, little bitch, I'm brain. Give a fuck about a bitch, I'm swaying.
So I'm currently running. Okay, it's not the time to not be focusing. I'm running late as fuck right now. Late as freak. I wish I had time to like make an intro and explain everything that's happening. I mean, I could explain it real quick. Okay, now I'm situated and I'm on the road. So this week's video, or today's video, is gonna be spend the weekend with me. Hey y'all, just stopping in real quick to let y'all know that this video is actually gonna be kind of like a November video dump. But what I've been doing lately is just a lot of clips compiled together. So when I'm talking about it's gonna be a weekend vlog or whatever, I'm lying because there was no weekend vlog. Right now I'm on my way to this event for Zuri. She's in this dance recital called Taste of Africa. So I'm going to that. It's in Atlanta and it starts at, she told me it starts at 6:45. I'm literally gonna get there at like at 6:43. So and she starts performing at 7:01. Like, you can just see how late I am right now. But it's really because of Atlanta traffic. Like, I'm literally taking back roads to get there. So that should tell you enough. But I'm really gonna try to cut my time down. You know how I get.
Go up with them gagging shop. Get your bag, don't stop, cause they won't shut up. Kissing and hope to cut us, whether they like or not. I wanna show you out, but I love you. I wanna bitch your boy, don't trip. I'll split it in their face, put a rock on her hand. I wanna show you out, I wanna show you out. I wanna brag about it, I wanna.
YCO. The name this hoe I'm fucking on, but I still hit it. Damn. Yeah, that scram hoe. What a number in there. Oh, they say.
I did my own hair, by the way.
We walk down, don't see that house. What's up, G? We don't want no Beyonce. Can bring me tired of being tired. That's part of me to God. Hey, learn how to get paid. Big stage. Tell with this like a week straight. Her drop, take up, niggas sit on pop, so they start hate. I sit back, watch that. Stand by me like Billy King. Your love is all I need, all I need. Rose the red, rest in peace to soldiers who I knew I'm scared. She for the guy, but it's still cool. I got more love for him. That's so good, yeah, I got no trust, better come back around.
Okay, I'm walking to the first center. Literally haven't used the directions, but I'm almost there.
Video tonight. Do we have some? We don't have some Africans in this video tonight. What are you saying? Come on. I just need one more person. That's all.
looking. It's a good time. Let me get in.
Oh, see, dang, if I would have waited a little longer, I would have been.
Hey y'all, I'm in Zuri's dorm and I'm about to leave. We're about to leave so we can go home. Thank you to her roommate for letting me use her charger.
I'm actually gonna unplug this. What's up, y'all? This is my room. That's my side. It's a little messy, but so not too much on me. But in the club with my twin, we be vibing. Why do I look so light? But yeah, today was a really good performance. I had a lot of fun. Thank you to Ari for coming. I can see the paint.
I rode scooters earlier for the first time. That was so fun. Would do it again. Would do it again and again and again and again. But yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Hello. So, I don't know what type of era I'm in at this point. I don't know if I'm like in my sandwich era or what, but I have been too obsessed with making sandwiches. A couple weeks back, I made an avocado BLT. Because I used to get that sandwich from Panera like OD amount of times. I'm like, you keep spending money on that shit. And the full sandwich is like $14. Like, you got me fucked up. So I started making it myself. But I started seeing on TikTok that grinder sandwich. I know y'all know what I'm talking about. I just kept seeing it and I'm like, oh, I want to try it so bad. And yeah, I got the stuff for it. So I'm gonna make it. And yeah. I spent $40 on all of this stuff. I don't know how to feel. Like, I'm mostly sick. To start off, you got Italian bread. I also have this premium butter, garlic, parmesan, and basil. Pepperoni. I got turkey breast, shredded lettuce, Colby Jack cheese. I was gonna get provolone, but they didn't have it, so that's what we gonna use. And pepper jack cheese, salami. Don't look at me. Look at this. Yeah. I got chips because you need chips with a sandwich. Pepperoncini, because that's what the recipe calls for. So got these tomatoes. I wanted Roma tomatoes, but all the Roma tomatoes they have were bad. Like an onion. I don't like onion, but I want to do the recipe how TikTok says to. Okay, so I cut the bread in half. I scooped the bread out. I'm finna eat that. Stop. And I'm about to like put all the little toppings on it and stuff, and then put it in the oven. Okay, so I toasted the bread a little bit. Ignore if it looked ghetto, like the fucking butter wasn't really spreading for real, but it's a little toasted. Now I'm gonna make the slaw that go on it. Hold on. I'm watching a TikTok video. Real mayonnaise.
Some of that in here too. Okay. Then you're gonna add you some minced garlic. Then you're slice up my tomato. I'm gonna put some salt and pepper on. Red onion or purple onion, whatever the hell it is. And
I'm seasoning. That's it. The peppers, I mean, the onions in here. Put that in there. Okay, I low-key put a lot. This smells like an Italian sandwich. Stop. Anyways, the way she explained it made it so easy. It looks like this. I'm gonna put it in the oven and toast so then I can put the slaw and the like rest of the veggies on top of it. I'm gonna put it down here. Okay, so it's out. Spread it generously. This is the back of the bread though. So I think this is the piece I'm gonna eat. Cool. Let's get a bev. This is the bev, the cran mango. Okay, if you eating, let's eat together. I'll wait for you to get your food. Amen. Taste test. All right. This is him. This is so him. I'm finna go blow down. Then I'm gonna come back and demolish this food like the deed is done, bro. Hey y'all. Good morning and happy Thanksgiving. It's 7:55. I've been up since 4, I'm not gonna lie, but it's time to get ready because I'm going to my auntie's house because that's where Thanksgiving's happening. But I'm going there early because we're having breakfast over there too. So about to get up. I want to be there by 9, so that's why I'm trying to start getting ready now. And I thought I should vlog the day. Well, really, I was thinking of vlogging the weekend since the other vlog failed or whatever. But I'm gonna make my bed. I'm gonna go brush my teeth, take a shower, all that. I don't know what I'm wearing because I don't want to wear like what I'm wearing for dinner now. I was eating breakfast, so I might just wear something like really chill. I just gotta figure out what I'm wearing. Let's get our day started. My SD card is finna fill up though. That's the thing. Like I literally have like, I don't even know how long. I need to buy a new SD card, but I have another one. So I'm gonna use that if I run out of space, which I am. But yeah, let's get started. I'm excited to eat tonight. I did my lashes last night too. Yeah. No, I'm in a good mood right now. Like, I got up early as fuck. I thought about going to the gym. I need to start going back to the gym, but like, not today, I'm sorry. Not you can add cover art on Apple Music. Ignore my nails. That's what I'm doing today too. Hold on. Get my nails done. So I'm finna do these press-ons for Thanksgiving too. Yeah, that's really why I need to get ready too.
So I'm fucking on, but I still hit. Get it out. He got cups that scram hole. Running them in and out. Up on medicine. I'm still streaming pussy niggas. Show me a better man.
Alright, so I'm out the shower and I'm dressed. This is what I'm wearing. But before I do these press-on, I'm not even in the frame. Okay. Before I do these press-ons, I need to pack because I'm not coming back home. I put aside what I'm wearing for dinner, and then I put, tomorrow we're supposed to be having like some type of family field day. I don't know, but I just have these New Balances. I wear them to the gym. I'm actually really happy to be up this early. It's so pretty outside right now. And like, what I miss about going to school, like high school and stuff like that, is like you get up early and then you got that like morning glow. I remember always taking, like when I used to get driven to school, I always remember like taking selfies in the morning. And when I work early, I be taking selfies in the morning. It's
my youngest bitch can't hold water shit outside jam. I'm rich as hell, don't hang with shrimps. Now I run an operation, I tell drinks with the blood. Bro, got my city in the space. Shut up, I put the leaf so doggies.
That hoe got her rock. Let go my sweat like a walk. Still gonna talk, don't stare at her. Little nigga hit the new chef around. Hit the bank, get bad like set it up.
What time is it? 8:40. I need to leave.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fan.
Okay, I'm done. They came out cute. I like them a lot because now I'm talking with my hands. Yeah, I'm just wearing it down. Okay, I'm low-key just trying to fill up the rest of my SD card because it's about to go out.
Bitch, I'm a superstar. I kill all my respect. No referee, I was take out of bounds, catch him. Roll him a little. About love, I don't know. I'm in Travis and Big Green right now. Probably why I've been on go.
So we're at Kroger. I'm with my dad. And we're buying groceries because we forgot some stuff. And oh, I'm about to fall. And also we're going to get the stuff for my buffalo dip. I'm making buffalo dip for Thanksgiving. Oh, we need tortilla chips too for my buffalo dip. Hey vlog, so we're at my auntie's house and here's my mom and my dad. Say hey, mommy. No, to them. Hey, man. Okay. Hey, hi, vlog. Welcome back. Hey, you let me do it first. Bro, I just woke up from a nap. A really good nap. On me and it hurt. And big, heavy. I'm about to.
Oh, you want to get fucked up? You want to get
to start making buffalo dip. I got the
like
video.
Dip or like food? Like welcome back, vlog. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to like, subscribe. There's the turkey. Make sure to smash that like button. And wait, what do they say? What do they say, Maddox? What if you like smash that like button?
Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.
Period. Yeah, so we're all here at Ashley's house.
In the middle of the night, another one is still running. I get interested in it, and then I fall asleep.
I don't know what she's talking about.
She's talking about how she likes to sleep, like watching murder stuff.
Oh yeah, she does. She watches Dateline a lot while sleeping.
Doing her edges.
Hey vlog! How are y'all?
That's such. Anyways, stop.
Such what?
Don't be so over enthusiastic. Like, just give it as people. I mean, I guess you could be happy.
Like, damn. Like, I can't be happy that it's Thanksgiving?
No, guys, oh crap, she wants her camera back. Wait, I'm getting you some B-roll, okay? If y'all didn't know, I'm Ariel's sister.
I have the chicken inside.
I like it.
Yeah, thank you.
Did we use to pop?
Creole season.
Oh, yeah, I think what's I've been looking for those white ones.
Girl, you stainless. You be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing. Don't close your eyes to get away.
Real appealing. I'm gonna come back when I'm about to put it in the oven. Huh? This is it. This is it. The buffalo
Officially to our house, here as a family, even to enjoy this meal. Thank you for each one of us, and even as we eat this food, we speak that it's blessed food, that you're going to nourish our bodies and even our souls, Lord. And even this evening, we cannot forget those people who are out there who have nothing to eat, those homeless people.
I am grateful for good life. I'm grateful for a great job. I'm grateful for wonderful kids and a great husband.
I'm grateful that, like a lot of other people said, that we can come together and, you know, have Thanksgiving together, have holidays together, because like someone said, that not everyone can do this. And I'm also thankful for the country that we live in, that we're given these type of freedoms and opportunities. Not a lot of people have. Like, there's people in other countries who don't have those type of freedoms, who are oppressed, who, you know, are just trying to survive every day. And yeah.
That's my point. That one, and make sure you have water.
Sayonara. Oh, the booty picture. Happy Thanksgiving, guys.
I like mac and cheese.
And you talking about me having 2 plates? This could fit in 2 plates.
Hey, y'all. Happy Thanksgiving. We finally eating. Y'all see what time it is? Hold on.
6:11 is when we got to touch the food.
Ooh, drink the last strawberry lemonade.
This is my plate. Cornbread, sweet potato souffle. Buffalo did that. I admit. Ham, mac and cheese, and mashed potatoes. That's pretty much all I be eating. My dad's plate's pretty colorful. How do you like your food?
Yummy.
Yummy?
Yes.
Okay.
These people have money. They make the whole world, you know, the whole world.
Hey, my battery's finna die. No!